What's the meaning of qi? Qi. Qi.
Qi. Qi. Qi is a concept with various interpretations in Chinese culture. It can be translated as life energy or vital energy and is believed to flow through the body's meridians, maintaining physical and emotional health. In traditional Chinese medicine, imbalances in qi are thought to cause illnesses. Practices such as acupuncture and qigong aim to balance and increase the flow of qi. Additionally, qi is associated with feng shui, martial arts, and Taoism. Overall, qi is a multifaceted concept that plays a significant role in Chinese philosophy, medicine, and culture.